Welcome, welcome, good morning. Hey everyone, and good morning, Tamimi. Hey there, and Daniel. Nice. Some martini, coffee, and donuts. Oh, pancakes, maybe. That's awesome. Good morning, guys. How's everybody doing? I was almost late, but I wasn't that much. Only like a half minute or something. Anyway, nothing really happened, but yesterday, look at this move after the PM session. Actually, when it was, yeah, at 4 p.m. Look at this go from 564 all the way up to, well, Jesus Christ. Almost like 270 points. It was very, very, very steep. What a move, right? So I'm guessing that after this move, we could be seeing another beautiful London session with beautiful, beautiful price action. Oh man, we're just gonna hover around in this. What's the range about? Yeah, it was earnings. Yeah, it was earnings. Earnings report. And now we are ranging in, well, about a 20 pip range, excluding this top here. But so far, the past few minutes, we are down to a few pips. Come on, points. Oh man. Well, what can we do, right? What can we do? This is just typical. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, if I look at this on the 5 minute, I just want to close down everything and go out and do something else. Because who the hell knows what's it gonna do? I mean, we're gonna be consolidating all the way. Oh my god, it's even. Ugh. Howdy, Trade Oracle. How's it going? We are going to consolidate most likely in the whole London session after the earnings report. I don't even know what to look at right now. What? I missed that huge surge. Turned off my bot too early. Oh yeah, you have those bots. No, hey there. Good morning. Those relative equal highs at 786 look like a good target. Yeah. Those are looking good. Actually, I'm still, I mean, I like to stay bullish even if I look at the 15 minute. If I look at this 15-minute chart, I'd like to stay bullish. There is a 1 hour fair value gap up there. Since I don't know when. Oh, there it is. So there is a 1 hour fair value gap since the 17th of April. It was Wednesday. It's still untouched. But who knows? Could be a good target. But it could only move there, maybe in New York. Who knows? I do not expect anything from the London session, guys. Trader G, good morning. Honestly, I really do not expect anything, any move. This is what's gonna happen in London session. But we can have some good talks. Otherwise, this is what's gonna happen. This is London session, guys. That's it. I can make a bet with you guys. We're not going to be coming out of this range. Pretty much gonna stay in between 780 and 750-ish levels. Pretty much that's it. Very ugly, like the way it looks like. Morning, Oliver. Hey, how's it going? So ugly movements here, guys. So ugly. No direction. Sideways movements, and it's Friday also. Yeah, guys, the best thing that we could do is just close the charts and enjoy the day. Really, I mean, I'm gonna be here for the stream and for you guys. Day for Della. But honestly, this is typically like, I would not touch this one. No clean targets. We had a buy side at the 4-hour fair value gap. I'm gonna delete that. It's not valid anymore. It has been taken out. Trying to look for something else. Maybe a 15-minute fair value gap, maybe. Just maybe. As a target. Not even that. It's terrible. Alright, there's a buy side liquidity in about 10 points. Good for a scalp if you guys want to go aggressive. You can do that. 86.75, 10 points. Price can reach for that. Reprice the rest of that 15-minute gap. PCA news for US Open. Yeah, what do we have? Oh yeah, core PCA. Doesn't really. This PCA news is not so much relevant. I know it's a red folder, like high impacted, but it's not. Core PCA doesn't care anyone about this. Nobody cares about core PCA. It's gonna spike up and down like a little bit, and that's it. But yeah, we're gonna have that one. But this is interesting. Revised what? University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment. But I guess this is moving the market heavier than the core PCA. So this means we cannot expect anything today until after 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'm gonna have some fun. And by fun, I'm not saying I'm gonna watch porn, but I'm gonna scalp. I'm going to scalp a little bit. Let's see. I am definitely not going to take trades based on my entry model because there's nothing here. Nothing to take a trade on. Back to the VWAP. It's so terrible. It's painful to watch this price action. It's painful. It's actually causing physical pain. All right. Maybe it will show something. Sell side. I like this. I like this move. Finally, something is happening. Sell side down there at 42. Like the move. I'd like to go short on this one to be super aggressive. Yeah, let's go short. Let's try to go for that 42. Nah, maybe. Or at least break lower than 55. No stop loss yet. Just eval accounts. I'm not scalping funded accounts. No, no way. I'm not touching my funded accounts with scalping. Super aggressive is your middle name. Only evaluation. I have this evaluation still for MyFundedFutures. I have the balls to do it on eval, but not on funded. I think I actually not even going to touch my funded account until the New York session, if even I'm going to trade on it. But let's try to do this. I don't have a stop loss yet, so I should be putting a stop. All right, this is a hard stop. It's not my final. Okay. And I'm gonna put a I'm gonna take one off if it gets down there. But I'm not gonna scalp on funded accounts. No way. No. No. Well, maybe, but not in this environment and not on Friday. All we need is to go down to 7,000. Sorry, yeah. 758. If it goes down there, I'm gonna take one off. There are some contracts down at the 50s. I don't even know why I'm scalping it with 1 micro or 2 micro maybe. Yeah. No use of this. Maybe I should close it. I'm gonna use a tight stop right there. Very tight. Just for fun, you know. We're having fun. It's in a range between yeah. So absolutely, yeah. Yeah. I was saying the same, like we stuck in between that range. So yeah. I'm pretty much gonna get taken out from this. But it's like 2 points. So if it wants to drop down quickly, it can do so. With 2 micros, it's huge risk, guys. Huge risk. Don't risk this much. Like I'm risking at least like $15 or something. I don't even know. Hey, Kraft. How long? Full time, like absolutely full time, about a month ago. Really. But I had a side business. I still have it technically, but I saved a little bit of money for myself for the next upcoming month. But last year I started streaming, and I was still doing. I was working for an insurance company as a side job, and since this month, from April the 1st, I got taken out. April the 1st. I can still work for them if I choose to, because I'm an independent contractor. But now I saved up a little bit of money, so I'm full-time here on YouTube and trading. So, and if you ask me how much I made from trading, technically nothing. I made $4,200 from October until December from TOPSTEP, and this year I only took out $350 from trading. So I'm still pretty much at the beginning phase of the road, but you know, this is how it is. But I'm doing the YouTube, and the reason I'm doing the YouTube is to generate a little bit of income as well. And if you guys, I'm very grateful for you guys who used my code in this month too. The affiliate links and and all these. I mean, if you use my affiliate codes and links, that adds together a few dollars here and there, and that really helps me to pay out bills. So that's why I'm affiliated with these companies, and that's how I'm here full time. That's it. Unfortunately, I'm still not making thousands of dollars monthly consistently, but that's the goal, obviously. I have now multiple funded accounts, 2 BULENOX funded, Apex funded, TOPSTEP. I have 2 TOPSTEP funded accounts, but I just started out, except for the TOPSTEP accounts, I just started out with those new funded accounts. So I'm upper about almost $300, $247 on 2 funded accounts, and $1,200 on the TOPSTEP funded account, on one TOPSTEP account. So I'm still building these accounts up, but I'll do a recap soon. I didn't do it yet. So quite a lot of, quite a way to go, especially because I'm trading micros. And this is a MyFundedFutures evaluation account, up 51,743. And this previous scalp, I lost $13.48. So I'm down. And we're just waiting. No clear direction. Why didn't you kept up your job and trading aside until you get consistent income from trading to cover your expenses and then quit your job? That's a very good question, Antonio. One thing is that I saved up a little bit of money for a few months, and that's one. So it's a little bit complicated. So I saved up a little bit of money just to cover my expenses, but that's a thing. The second thing is technically I can still go and work for my previous job because as I said, I was an independent contractor. What's up, Camille? Hey there, Mitch. I was an independent contractor for an insurance company for years. I have a very good connection with them. Good morning, Dominic. I have a very good connection with the company. I still have my license and everything. So if they need me to go out to visit clients and do some paperwork or something like that, I can do it whenever I want. I just, sign the bill for them and they will pay me for the service. It works like, I sit in my car, I visit clients and I talk about their insurance. And if they want to continue with the company or not, I will help them and I will get a commission for working with the company. And I can do that anytime. And it's good, but it's not so good because many times I had to visit clients at the other side of the country. So I had to drive like all day, which is not a problem. I can drive. I did that before for years. But if I want to be here in front of the screen in the London session and New York session, it's very hard to combine it with the clients. But still, we departed like any moment, anytime. I want to ring a phone call. I have my license active. I can work with them. They give me some clients so I can make some commissions. So technically I kept it, but I'm not actively working for my side business right now. Honestly, here in my country, and that's the third reason to answer your question, Antonio, and maybe this is the main reason for you guys or for you. In Hungary, in my country, and I don't care if the tax office is watching because everything I do is by the tax law and everything. In my country, an average salary is, not kidding, about $900 US. This is the average salary in my country. 900 US American dollars. That's the 1 month average salary. All right. Okay. So to be honest, and that's not a big secret, with this side job that I was doing still for the insurance company, I wasn't really making too much over that threshold, right? And I was driving, yeah, you should move here. When I was driving all day, and the insurance company paid the gas, of course, they paid the gas fee and the fuel. They paid it. I was driving all day. I was visiting clients. I was super tired when I got home after driving all day and stuff like that. But it's fine. I can do it. It's not a big deal. And I was earning about an average for a month, still as an independent contractor. I was earning after taxes just about the same, 800 to 1,000 US dollars after taxes, right? So net. And I was driving all day and visiting clients. And some of those clients were, let me just say, they were like idiot people. I'm sorry to say that. And I had to deal with them. I had to travel there, and my car broke down, and it was a really anyway. Now, and that's why I want to talk about this, because I got this question from DMs and some other streams. And the other thing, I earned like almost, I mean, in last month, this month I didn't got it yet, but in March I earned more than $600, almost $600 from affiliate commissions, with the help of you guys who were kind enough to use my links and codes, and that was awesome. I really appreciate that. And I also earned an extra $130 upon that, my first paycheck from YouTube. And for me, this few $100. So the thing I want to say to you guys, if I continue to grind like this way, and I love to do this, I love being here, why should I be driving all day, every day for clients if I can build up a little bit of extra revenue here on my YouTube, so I can concentrate full time for my trading? Of course, the goal is to make more money from trading, not from affiliate commissions. But I can tell you, and I'm going to do a recap video, I did more in this month, including the YouTube and with the affiliate commissions, than last month. And in this month, I'm gonna make more. Thank God, and for you guys, for the help and the support with the commissions, than I did in my side job that kept me rolling with the insurance company. All right. So that gives you a little bit of a ballpark why I am here and why I left my job. I can just take the phone, you know, I can call them and say, hey, I wanna go to some new clients, and they will send me tomorrow, or sorry, Monday. I can go to new clients on Monday. But this is why I started out partially the YouTube, because it helps me financially and helps me to keep on track, build up a little bit of a community. That's the answer. While we are waiting, because guys, this price action is like very bad. I don't really want to trade this. Maybe we'll get to 86, it seems like, but I don't know. Yeah, you're welcome. And I'm very happy that you asked it. I'm very happy that you brought this up, because I get this question quite a few times nowadays. Why did you leave your job? Why are you doing this full time? Well, this is why I said it's a little bit complicated. You have to see more factors into the equation. And again, I'm very grateful for everyone who is supporting me. If you use my links and codes, and that's it. I know, Antonio. It's not criticism. Absolutely. Absolutely, Antonio, I know, but I'm glad, because I want to talk about, I'm going to do a video about my affiliate incomes and how I'm doing it with the trading, and how I'm trying to stay alive here. So Gaurav, hey there. Mitch, thank you. I'll be here. So I'm dedicating myself full into the channel and into trading, most likely for trading. But yes, yeah, that's the goal. Gaurav, how you doing? I'm doing great, Gaurav, and so good to see you. How's the weather in Brisbane, and how was your job today? You should be finished up for the week, right? Gaurav is on the other side of the planet from me. Good to see you. Yeah. Gaurav is from Brisbane, Australia. Gold Coast is way better. It's beautiful now. Oh, I wish I could be there. I wish I could be there. You're not too far from Gold Coast. Wow. That's awesome. That's awesome. Gold Coast in Australia. Is this Oh, thank you for the subscription. Gameable Brawl. Thank you, thank you. Is this it? That's what Wikipedia showed me. Gold Coast. Oh my god. Look at the place. What a view from here. Oh my god. Awesome. Awesome. Did you teach yourself trading or did you have a coach? Both actually, because I started to teach myself and I bought some indicators and courses. I didn't really have a mentor, but I was talking about to you guys that guy who unfortunately tragically passed away, Usman from Trading Alpi. I entered his Discord. It was like $300 something back in 2021. And he was very helpful when I asked him questions, and he was trading with order blocks. He was the first one who really introduced me to smart money concept. We were not talking about ICT then. We were talking about smart money concept and most likely order blocks in 21. And he was making a killing with the order blocks, and he had a specific entry model which is still out there, and I also made a replica of that video. He was using the 3-pin entry model for order blocks, and he was getting payouts. Anyway, it was a real, genuine, honest, transparent guy, and real payouts, real money, everything was transparent. So he was so-called my first, or my mentor, because I was really talking a lot with him on Discord. We were chatting a lot. He was posting setups, I was posting setups for him, and 90% of the time it was about order blocks. But he was trading order blocks a little bit differently than ICT was explaining. So his theory on order blocks was a little bit different, but 90% the same, but a little bit different than ICT explains it. And he was entering differently to the order blocks like I am. But he was an awesome guy. He was an awesome guy. No, I was, the rest of it is like with you guys. I was just watching videos on YouTube and ICT videos. It's nothing special. But Usman really, he was a genuine guy. I was shocked when he passed away. 35 years old guy, had a heart attack in Canada. He was from Canada. He moved to Dubai, and suddenly on his Discord, his family announced that he had a heart attack in Canada. And I was, what the hell? 35 years old, passing away in a heart attack. No, he was just walking down the street. He was living in Dubai. He moved to Dubai from Canada, and because he was making videos about his traveling, because he got the payout from FTMO. He got like $15,000, whatever, $17,000 payout from FTMO, and then he went on for traveling, and he rented a place in Dubai, and not just from FTMO, some other my Forex funds back then. He earned money from there, and some other places. So he was making monthly $20,000-$30,000 from prop firms. Really, it's on his YouTube. Still, his YouTube is on. So he was posting out his payouts, and He rented the place and the car in Dubai, and I was very motivated by his journey. And originally he was from Canada, but his inheritance is from I think is from Pakistan, or I don't even know. But anyway, he was walking on the street and had a heart attack, and I was shocked. I was completely shocked by the guy, and I told this story already, but I was actually so broke financially. I was so down at the end of, I was having surgery last year. After the new year, I had to go to hospital, and I wasn't really good in any sort of trading, and I was running out of money. I couldn't go to work with my job with the insurance company. I was 2 times in hospital for a few weeks, and I didn't really have income. And I wrote him on Discord that, hey, Usman, I know it sounds weird. I can show you guys I still have the message. I said, hey, I'm not doing so good. I have to have surgery. I don't have any income. It feels bad. It's very bad. But please, can you refund me the $300 that I spent on your Discord, because I actually don't have any money right now, and I need to survive the next few weeks until I get some payment, because I need to pay some bills. And you know what? He refunded me the money. He sent me the money, and that money was, you know, it was, I was almost crying when he sent me the money back. And yeah, and after a few months after that, he had a heart attack. I was like, man. Anyway, we're looking for some buy side here. Before the market opened, we took out this one, tapped into a 15-minute fair value gap. Yeah, rest in peace, God rest his soul. So went into a fair value gap. Yeah, you can still find his channel. There are some very good videos up there. He was explaining some of his entry models, his entry strategies. I mean, one of his videos is about an hour long, and in that video he explains quite well. His course is down, the website is down. Of course, he had a website for the course, but still on his YouTube there is some gems you can find. Unfortunate and very tragic. Very tragic. I think it seems like it wants to go higher. That man was a good God, decided he wanted him back close. Yes. Yeah, I suppose that too. He was a good man, absolutely. He was a good man. He was a very, very good man. He sent me the money back, and that money was a lifesaver for me. I know $300 for you guys might be nothing. I absolutely get it. But as I said, here in my country, a monthly salary is $900 on average, a month salary. So when he sent me back $300 while I was about to be in hospital for 2 weeks, that money was a lifesaver for me, really. Just enter the short. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for London Open too, because I don't like this. I don't like this movement yet. $7.96 could be a target on the 1 minute. There is a fair value gap up there, but I don't know, guys. It seems like we swept a little bit of these Asia highs. So yeah, the shorts could be in play, but I'm gonna wait. I'm half contract short on NQ. And oh, okay, you're short here too. Okay, well, ES looks good. I mean, this here technically would have been good for a short. But it seems like it wants to continue higher. ES. And both NQ. Hey, hello Teacher FX, how's it going? Guys, by the way, if you want to help out the stream, please push the like button. Stop that break even, alright. Push the like and subscribe to the channel. Also, there's a giveaway in the pinned message. You can see it. Go fill out the form. There's some simple tasks to do. And every week, we're going to announce a 50K evaluation account. This is just the first form of doing this. This is a new application I use. It seems like very good, especially for taking the pick and earning more points. And very simple. Fill out the form. You can earn points by doing some tasks, increasing your chance to win. 50K eval, most likely from one of these prop firms. But if we do BULENOX, maybe, you know, I'm gonna spend about $50–60 on this, maybe a little bit more, so we can do 2 BULENOX accounts for the winner, or maybe 2 Apex accounts, or a TOPSTEP account. Oh, we'll see. You know, we will decide. That is gonna happen. Yeah, it's a simple one. It's a simple one. Simple to use it, earn points, and increase your chance to win. It's gonna be a cash prize, by the way. So yeah, re-entered short again. So I'm gonna send it through PayPal, debit card, or international bank wire. That's how it's gonna happen, just saying. No, the giveaway is not today. There's a timer on the form. If you go to it's somewhere on the down side of the form. It's gonna be on next Wednesday or Thursday when we end it, and we're gonna do this the live pick on the stream, and we're gonna start another one. So we're doing constantly these giveaways, but this is just the first one, and if everything goes well, I can do more. So not just one winner, but 2 winners, or like 2 giveaways a week. I don't know, but we will figure it out. This is just a test first, how this application does work out. And so you still have a lot of time to enter. I better get that beer out. Small loss, yeah. Previous day high is above the 800s. Bernard, hey there. Bro is liquidity. Yes, it looks like it's going higher a bit. There is liquidity at 96 on the 1 minute. If you look to the left, there is a fair value gap here on the 1 minute right there. I'm gonna put a marker there. Not that it's super important, but there is a 1 minute gap at 96.25, so not so far from here if this is a liquidity run. But I think I'm gonna wait for the London Open. ES looks bullish, definitely, and I could imagine that we are gonna go higher. The midpoint of this gap is above 39, 51.39, so could be pulling NQ up there, but the risk reward is off. Oh, you tagged me in Instagram. Sorry, I wasn't really checking my Instagram lately. Let me check it. I see. Hello Teacher FX. Goat. I see. All right. Oh, now I see. All right. What is? Oh yeah. You tagged me. Yeah, I see that. Thank you. Thank you, man. um. Ooh. Okay. I forgot that I have some beautiful ladies on Instagram that are tagged on my end. Should delete them. That's great. It's not a great picture. I just didn't have anything else. Re-enter short again at the sweep. All right, let's see. You re-enter the short. That could be a good idea. I don't know. I don't have an entry on this level. That's the thing. All right. Tom is on the market, ladies. He's Laura, hey there. Good morning, my teacher, Tom. I'm not a teacher. I'm not a teacher. Okay. We're just waiting here. We're just waiting. Push the like, everyone, and subscribe. Subscribe to the giveaway. Don't miss it out. Evaluation account giveaways are coming. And I'm also going to do charity. Just saying, because I'm pretty much like animals. And there is a shelter for stray dogs and cats. And it's actually serious. I'm going to do, because they were asking me, I know them in person, and they were asking me if I can help, and I said why not? So I'm thinking about something to do a charity, because they're actually out of food, and you know, they need plastic bags, food, they need stuff like that. So we're not thinking about huge money, but maybe raise a few $100s at least. So maybe we put on a goal like for $200 or $300, and I might going to double it up. So if we can get $200 for the shelter for charity, I might going to double that amount. So then I'm going to give them, and it's going to be documented. Everything is going to be going there directly. I'm going to sort it out so you guys will see that they got the money. I'm still thinking about that, really. I'm feel sorry for those poor dogs and cats there. They don't have anything to eat now. No, no payouts yet. I'm building the TOPSTEP account. I was up about $1,700, but I'm down to a little bit below $1,300 now. I want to build it up to about, actually, let me see, because it's not even connected now. Is it connected? It is. Oh yeah. So I'm a little bit back below 1,300. So this TOPSTEP account is a funded one. I was up $1,700, but now I'm a little bit down. But I want to bring it up over at least to $2,000 or $2,500. This express funded account. So I'm trying to build it, not taking payouts yet. And this BULENOX account, this is a funded one. I'm only up $274. It is what it is. But trying to. The dog is not barking. So yeah, Sarah, the charity is not starting yet, but they were asking me because they know I'm on YouTube. I know someone there, and they were asking. They're really out of money. It's for an animal shelter for dogs and cats, and so they need food and plastic bags and cleaning stuff, you know. Not too much money. They need in dollars. They would be very happy with $200 or $300 money wise. That would be helping out them very much for a little bit of time. So I might be doing something about that, but it's gonna be whatever money comes in. I might double it up. The goal should be like about $200. So if we get $200, I might add another 200, so they will get 400 or something like this. I'm thinking about it. I don't know. Well, no YOLO trades on the funded accounts and no crazy movement. I'm waiting for, as I said, the London session. I do like this sweep here at those highs. So I definitely like that area. And yeah, I'd like to see that go down a little bit. I don't know. There was a technically here, this was a valid entry at this point. Valid entry. Took up 2 contracts. Nice, Mitch. Congrats. Good morning, Marco. Tom the big ball. I'm not doubling. I'm not doubling. I'm just waiting here to see what's gonna happen. Most likely have to wait until London opens. So nothing right now. Nothing to wait right now. I mean, nothing to do right now. If I go to the 5-minute, yeah, this one can go a little bit down. Maybe reprice some of this area down there. But we don't know. Then we would need to see it go, well, at least all the way down to that sell side, which is at 42, to tap into this gap, which was from the earnings report. His mentor was a good guy. I don't know, man. But I seen the documentary. Dogs have it pretty dang rough in Bucharest. Yeah, I mean, I will do more than likely run a 2 count reversal on VWAP. You will? Oh. It can happen. Street dogs, yeah. Good morning, Raul. Okay. We're just waiting, guys. Just waiting. Good morning, Laura. Still love your name. I still love your name. What a beautiful name. I don't care what anybody says. Laura is a beautiful name for a lady, for a woman. Okay. Waiting for the market to open. Your name, Dominic, is also beautiful. I love your name, I mean, that's just your name, Dominic, is absolutely. You're welcome, Laura. Okay, London is open. What's gonna happen? Are we gonna go down a little bit, or what? What is going to happen here? A little bit of a spike to the downside. Is it gonna be enough to go further down? Maybe, who knows? Nothing so far. I don't have an entry. It feels like it could go down to that 42, that 742. 72, 65. Yeah, it's still dropping. Let's see if it leaves a fair value gap or ends up with the market. It actually could end up with a market structure shift. So this current candle right now, this can be the one that decides what we're going to do from here. Tom got game. Am I dominating the market? Oh, wow, look at this drop. 57 down to 57. It wants to go for that 42. Wow. Oh, 10 points. Rivis, hey, it's almost end of April. How is your profitability? I'm up almost $1,300 on my TOPSTEP funded account, and I'm up almost $300 on my BULENOX funded. And nothing else yet. Didn't take out payout. And I almost finished up a new evaluation account with Apex. How's it going? I need $140 to finish with the eval, and I have this evaluation. I'm at 51,743 on this MyFundedFutures evaluation account, but still wasn't able to take payout. So although the numbers are great and looking nice, but I'm not profitable. I mean, I'm not profitable. Like on my bank account, there's no profits like I wanted to. But hey, I'm building it slowly. I'm super slow. I was up $1,700 on my TOPSTEP account on the funded, and yeah. I missed your comment. Let's see. Down then up. Oh yeah, down then up, then down then up, and so on. Yeah. Hey, look at that. By the way, we're at 60, 61. We can go down to 42 still. This is actually a clean short entry. Even if I look at the 1 minute, 61 could be going for 42. How about that? Rewatch this piece where you said how this displacement candle tells you something. You said it before. That this is it. Oh, okay. Hey Tom, please read your comment. Market those. Yeah. With TOPSTEP, how many contracts do you usually trade on MNQ to try to cover the 200 USD days? I usually trade with 2 or 3 micros, but it's hard to make more than 200 days. It's very hard. Hard to cover that. Hold on, I'm just focusing if I want to scalp this. For the 42, I'm not sure. Right be with you guys. I'm still watching this. If this is good for at least a 1-to-1 scalp, don't know. This should have been a good short, but I wanted to wait for the London Open. And now the Asia lows are at 42. So how about that? I feel the same. I'm trying to find the number without risking too much. We're going back up. Could be. Hey, Darian. Could be, could be. I would love to scalp this. I like this sell side at 42. How is the mini? The mini the sell side for the mini is 42.25, the same. So can we get it? I don't know. I'm looking this closely. How is the candle sprinting? Sprinting, not printing, sprinting. Scalp the micro contract down. Thank God I didn't take that WeWa bounce. Yeah, I mean, I'm just looking at this 42. I'm not saying it's going to take it, but maybe if it retraces back up, I'm going to jump in with the eval. I don't know. Still going to have to wait a little bit. I don't know what to think of this. I don't know what to make of this. It's going down. Look at this. Man. Maybe I should have taken this. Should have taken this. I missed the move. I missed that move, guys. I was scared. Can you tell me why I didn't go? Well, hold on a second. Shorted already. Holy moly. Sitting at 14 for the day so far. Look, 2 small losses on looking for the false Asia high, but ended up, yeah. 2 MA sitting. Yeah. Tom, can I share a YouTube link for the guys here? How to build income with Apex? I guess you can. I just have to make sure to add you as a standard mod. I deleted every mod recently because hold on. Add standard. Okay, Erkan, I think you can share it now. Added you as a mod. Yeah, maybe we will get liquidity first. Yeah, taking off without us. Take it now. Okay, there you go. It's gonna go even lower. Yeah, it could be going. If you look at the 1 hour, just look at this move from here to here. Even if I just look at the fair value gap, the 50% level is at 681-ish. So we could be going through the 700s. I'm going to actually put a marker to 700. Come on. Anyway. I'm going to put a marker to 700. And the mid level is at 682 ish area. All right. So could go down lower. You're a mature trader, Tom. Come on, Dominic. Stop it. Where is your? Oh yeah, I was modifying some setups with the channel. I was being told, but they might be wrong, that if there are too many moderators, then YouTube doesn't like it if all the comments are mods. I don't know why. So let's see. Settings. Yeah. I mean, YouTube doesn't like it. I don't know why. I have no idea. I was telling Methodical when we WAP strategy. You knew you could take it, and yet you did not need it. Wish I caught it, but missed it. Yeah, I mean, it could reverse. So now that it's taken some liquidity, we could be seeing some kind of a shift if we see a structure like now. But we have to build a structure now. And if we see the structure, we could take it. We can absolutely take it. If it gets below 742, it's like a free fall from there. Oh, it could be 742. Could be a free fall. Let's see if it forms a structure or not. Let's see. I don't need to have a blue name to know what I've been through, bro. Short from midnight. Trend line, yeah. Slightly beneath. All right. Here comes the commercial, guys. If you see a commercial, please watch it, or you can click on it. All right. Let's see if we form a structure. We don't have any news, so give me a second. I'm gonna make a quick phone call. Sorry guys, just a friend of mine. Still waiting. So this is a structure. I do like it. I'm doing okay slash. How you guys doing? McLovin, what's up? We're bouncing right at high volume area from Wednesday. So if we get through this, it'll be 668 next. What? 668. Oh wow, yes. Could be. Aircon Weave Up is a very strong tool. The price come always to weave up back like magnet. All hedge funds managers are paid for their performance compared to weave up price. Oh. I don't use weave up. I never traded with weave up. I see that because a lot of traders are watching weave up as a reference point. But I never traded with the weave up. To me, I mean, no offense to anyone, but for me, the weave up doesn't really mean anything special. But I see that when price gets there, I acknowledge it that there could be some kind of a, reaction or bounce or something from price. But for me, just as the 200 EMA, I see it because a lot of traders use the 200 EMA as reference point, but I don't trade it. I don't trade that. Map out the daily and it will be obvious where we're bouncing. Secondary from Wednesday, really? Could be. I might do that. Not a bad idea. For now, I'm waiting a little bit if we could have a structure shift. Because, well, the problem is ES didn't go down to take more liquidity. So it's still down like 4 points. Still need to go down like 4 points. ES. Which means NQ can also drop. 700 is down there. The mid level of the gap is 680. I use it to filter out unnecessary noise like small time frame fair value gap. Yeah, I understand. All right. All right. Let's see. What's your direction for London session? Oh well, I wish I could tell you like super simple what's the direction. For now on NQ, the direction, I would be bullish. I would be continuing because it's Friday as well. We have a 1 hour fair value gap up there. But for the London session, we can go down all the way until 700. We swept some liquidity below 742, so that's great. But as you can see, we could be continuing down to 700. The thing is that ES wants to go down to 51.16 to sweep the liquidity as well on this yesterday's news release. So I can imagine that, you know, this one can continue to drop. Market profile and FIBO are the main tools in my trading. Oh yeah, I mean, I know many traders are using market profile. Doing 2 micro short now. Stop above 800. I'll add 2 more times. You can do so. Just be careful if there is a shift in the structure. You know, just be careful. There was a shift actually. And the shift was right here. But it was not a clear one. Or not a huge. It happened right here. Bullish market structure shift right there. Small fair value gap right there. That was for longs, but it seems like it's ignoring it. Maybe it could be repricing this gap lower, but if it gets through this one, then that would be clear that we could be heading down to 700. As you know, if ES takes out that 16 level, let's see, the low is 1675, 1675. So I'm gonna put a marker, actually maybe an alert, 1675. Okay, so if ES takes that out, NQ could be turning. But for now, NQ is getting weaker. We have a small liquidity void here on the micro. Not that significant, 3 ticks. But could be going higher to reprice it. And then we will see. It just tapped into this gap. So very complex, to say the least. Without fib levels, you cannot set a direction. Yeah. You don't. I'm not your king. But thanks. It's very hard to say. I'd like to see it. Maybe it can sweep more liquidity, but I'm staying bullish. So, for example, if you want to go long, you have every reason to do so. Swept it. We're still in this position. It's valid. If you enter here, we can go up there to sweep the buy side. I do like these candles with the flat tops. Good targets. Why not? You know? Why not? 50. It does have to go a little bit. But I don't know. For now, it seems like that as long as ES wants to sweep these lows at 1675, NQ could be having trouble to go up, so it could be going down. But we have that liquidity void at 56. After we've seen that being repriced, right almost now, we can see a direction. Only thing with longs, it's so overbought. It has such a, yeah, it had a big run. That's true. That's true. We surely would like to see, and don't go call me Shirley, I know. We surely would like to see price go down and reprice some more of that news candle. Anyone hearing some noise from Tom's mic, or is it just me? Yeah, the television is on. in the living room. I don't know why oh yeah, because I was watching the news in the morning and I left the television on. You're hearing it too. Okay, let me check it. Let me check it, guys. There could be some issue here. Let me check the stream. Let me check my own voice right now. Let me check my own voice right now. Yeah, there is a problem. Yeah. Man. There is a microphone issue. There is a microphone issue. That's true. I hear it. Yeah, some static noise. I don't know what. What the heck? I don't know what. What the heck? I don't know what. Yeah, we have a static noise. No, there is a static noise I see on my... I see it on the OBS too. There is a standard static noise. Could be the television. Let me turn it out. Just a second. Could be the TV. I'll be right back. No, it's still on. It's still on. All right, let me talk to myself on the stream and I will check if we have any issue.
All right, let me talk to myself on the stream and I will check if we have any issue. All right, let me talk to myself on the
Should be better. My ears. I'm sorry about that. I am sorry, guys. I'm really sorry. Yeah, maybe something to do with the cable, with the audio cable. Should be better a little bit. Yeah, I see on my OBS there is no static noise right now. If I don't speak, there should be any static. There shouldn't be any static. Okay, it's better. Okay, it's a little bit better. All right, sorry guys about the inconvenience. Okay, so we repriced this way more better. All right, sorry, and thank you for letting me know. Reprice this volume imbalance or liquidity void at 56. Now let's see if it wants to continue higher or drop. I don't have a setup, but really hard to decide. Some kind of echo. There could be. Maybe I'm gonna buy a new microphone, but this microphone was only $17, so It was a cheap microphone. ES is still up there. That's SMT divergence. Yeah. Yeah, the weaker pair is the ES right now. I don't rate these. It's absolutely not one of my favorite. But I still believe that ES should be going down to 17. Aggressive buying on Delta. Let me check. Yeah, the Delta is pretty much positive. They're buying. Buyers are lining up on Nasdaq. But it can change in a second, so maybe they want to pop the 60. I see 127 contracts below 95. So somewhere up here. 27 contracts. So they could be sweeping liquidity. ES is letting it go a little bit. Yeah, but I use 2000 ticks, so could be short term. Yeah, could be. So we are still waiting, but 127 contracts sitting up there. I think it's just a bait up here. 127 contracts at 93. So that's just the bait, I think. If it can't pop soon, buyers might just give in. Yeah, it will go there. Wouldn't do anything until we go above VWAP. Yeah, I think if we, I'm saying 760. If we don't go above 760, then who knows? And again, on the book map, we still have that 127 contracts, but I'm almost positive that that's just a bait. And as soon as price takes out the 60 level, it's just going to disappear. It's just going to disappear from there. It will disappear like in a millisecond, just pop, and it's gone. So that's just a bait. Wouldn't do anything until we go above VWAP for me. Too trappy, yeah. We'll lose previous level. Then an aggressive negative delta. That's a short for you. Yeah. I think we should go above the 60, but I'm bullish after the sweep. $55, $54. Not sure. We're stuck here for now. ES is stuck as well. Somebody pull the plug. That's for sure. I have to be patient here, guys. if I would be sitting in a long, I would be holding it until it gets below 39. Yeah, it has to pop the 60. Look at that. Yeah. Let's see what's happening up there. Those contracts are still there. That's interesting. I had 3, but now I have only 2. So to my left, I switch between the OBS and the charts. I have a small bookmap chart, and I have the 5-minute and the 15-minute for Nasdaq, and one for ES, smaller charts, just to see. And I'm switching between the chat. I do have a small chat window open, so everything is a little bit pushed together. I had 3, but my third monitor, it was, I mean, it's a good monitor, but I don't know. I think I was just cleaning my office or something. I pulled it out because I pulled my whole desk, and I didn't put it back, so I left with 2 screens. I have a third one, but I was lazy to put it back, so I'm just operating with 2 screens. And I had the laptop once, so I had 3 screens and the laptop opened. Absolutely useless to do that, but I might be going to buy, you know, that wide screen for trading. You can't trade, only view the 1-minute chart one day. Yeah, I'm watching it on the left monitor. I have the 15, the 5-minute, and I also switch to the 1 hour sometimes, but I'm not looking the daily all the time. Not even too much the 1 hour. I watch the 1 hour, but the ones I'm focusing on is the 15-minute and the 5-minute, because my entry model is on the 1 minute. So I'm watching closely the 5 and the 15. I do my analysis from top to bottom, from sometimes the weekly, but from daily, 4 hour, 1 hour. But I open up my 15 and the 5. Everybody does it differently, I know. But that's how I do it. I'm not using the heat map. To be clear, I'm not trading based on the book map. Absolutely not. None of my entry models or anything is based on the book map. I look at it if I want to, just to see what's going on when the market is slow. But I'm not actively using the book map, or it's not part of my entry model or anything. If I'm just uncertain what is going on or where could be it gravitating, I look at it, I check if there are some heavy contracts in some direction, and then I can, maybe, you know, it helps me to get a better feeling, quote unquote, for the direction or the market of where it can go. But I definitely not take it as an entry model, the book map. Yeah, exactly. For me, the book map is like a reference, like, okay, what happens, what is there at that point, blah blah blah, but it's not on my, it's not in my entry criteria. But out of curiosity, just saying that the 127 Connies are still up there at 93. Interesting. It's still up there. I see many times like they baiting everyone, like putting a lot of contracts up there, like, oh yeah, look at that, so many liquidity up there. And as price gets closer, for example, you know, price would come like this, I bet you that that liquidity up there, those, like, it would just disappear in a second, like boom, and that was a bait, and then it can go back down. So actually Bookmap can be, it's a good thing, I know many traders use it, but it can be a little bit tricky. You have to know what you're looking for on Bookmap. Cumulative delta, also a good thing, yeah. TOPSTEP provide a Bookmap license. You can see the liquidity. Yeah, that's true. Just a little sugar-free yogurt. Okay, we're still going up. Still going up. Could have scalped this one. This could have been a great scalp. From here, 54 to 64 even. I missed this one. That was a good scalp. Could have been a good scalp, but it wasn't. And ES is up there. I wouldn't be surprised if ES would decide to drop from here. You know. What? What is happening here? Oh, there you go. Pushed the wrong button there, sorry. So I wouldn't be surprised if that would happen. I'm getting hacked. Could be. Could be. Could be the thing. Look at this, it's going up. And ES shows no signs that it wants to drop right now. Maybe it's going to reprice above 23. Okay, it does it now. NQ is going as well. So what is the cheapest offer from prop firms nowadays? The cheapest offer is at BULENOX right now, but only for the first month. So the first month is 90% off at BULENOX, but only the first. So after that, you will be charged full price. Be careful, because some people have left it on. They didn't cancel the subscription, and they were charged full time. I mean full price. But Apex 80% is for lifetime. So even if you blow the account, you can still keep it and make sure, and you can make sure that you're gonna have the 80% off for the next rebill. So that's the cheapest. And by the way, including the activation fee, MyFundedFutures is the cheapest on the 50K account. So there is no cheaper, because BULENOX gives you the account, but the activation fee for a 50K account is $148. So $17.50 for the eval, and $148 for the activation. But MyFundedFutures right now until the end of the month. And so stack your accounts up. I'm going to buy more. And it's lifetime. $50, you get a 50K account or a 150K account. It's the same price. But for the 50K account, the activation fee is $50 even after this month. So for lifetime. If it takes 2 months for you to pass the evaluation account, or if you get rebilled because you blown the account, the $50 activation fee is still stands. It's a lifetime discount for the activation, and you get a free reset from MyFundedFutures. Who does that? Nobody. That's the cheapest in the whole industry if you count with the activation fee too. There is no cheaper than MyFundedFutures right now for the 50K account, including activation fee. All right. I had to say this because I'm affiliated with them, of course. But really, they are very, very good in this. Right now, they are the cheapest, definitely, including the activation fee. Thank God for competition. Yeah. Competition is good, but I think there comes the time when it will be, when they can't really lower it anymore because it's going to put them in danger. Look at the YouTube link that I posted earlier. Buy 5 Apex with the next 90% discount and make only $100 a day with 1 3 month. Oh, yeah, of course. Exactly. If there's going to be a 90% sale with Apex, hopefully there will be. There was already one this year, so I would say that's the best deal. Stack up with the 90% sale because Apex is the best on that one. But you know, these platforms have their own perks and features. You have to choose your own. You have to choose for yourself which one suits you better, money-wise, and everything, you know. And even if you blow the account at Apex, for example, or MyFundedFutures, do not necessarily cancel the account because you're going to get rebuilt with the same discount price, and there's going to be a reset included. So, and then you will know for sure that you will have a discount rebill. That's how I do it. TOPSTEP does the same, by the way. If you register for a new account using my link, you get a 20% additional discount. And if you blow the account, you get a 50% reset discount as well. And if you blow the account, you're going to get rebuild, I think, or is it only for the first month? I think for lifetime. I have to ask them. Not sure about that, though. But still, you get the 20% discount if you register. So these offers are expiring at the end of the month. Just saying. What do you mean, Tom? I mean, not sure about the question. I was talking so much about everything. I'm just saying if you blow the account, your evaluation account, do not cancel the subscription because for the next month, you will still get the discount price, not from BULENOX, but from Apex and MyFundedFutures for sure. You will get it, and that's why I said it. Discount for BULENOX for option 1 or option 2? No, only for option 1. For option 2, I can tell you the discount for option 2. Option 2 is the end of day trailing. Sorry. Option 2 account, the discount is 58% right now for the end of day trailing. And only up to 100k accounts. So 50k and 100k accounts and 25ks have 58% discount, but that's end of day trailing, and that's for lifetime, I think. Oh, look at this drop. Now we're seeing something. Let's focus on this one for a little bit. Yes, might be going down for that new low. Did we have some news? Was somebody talking or something? Unemployment rate is a little higher in Spanish, but that was a while ago. What is happening? What is happening, guys? I use tomsabo 3 for the option 2 accounts, by the way, just wanted to say. That's interesting. That was an interesting drop, like 65 to 50. Yeah, that was a really interesting. No trades yet. But we'll see. This one was a tricky drop. ES went lower. And it was dragging down NQ with it. Yeah. You're flat. You scalped that drop? Nice. Someone who decided to get fishing. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. I thought that ES is gonna go for that sell side. There's the alert at 16. So that could have been a reason why it pulled NQ down as well. But that was interesting for sure. If we see something like that in the London session. We have flat tops up at 93. So we could be continuing higher. I don't know. But this was an interesting spike for sure. Your buy side liquidity level here. Oh, that was I have to delete that. To take that short once it sweeps. I only take that short if I have an entry model. And this was an entry model and I didn't take. I was talking about this, that I missed this move. So it was a sweep, went down, made a structure shift, and fair value gap went lower. And that's why I had a little bit of a FOMO here, because I should have entered that short and I missed it. But anyway, I do like these highs above there. I just don't know what ES wants to do. I'm placing a short pending. Oh, easy money. Look at it. So many orders there. 750. There are. So option with BULENOX will be, yeah, exactly $17.50. The option 1 50K account with tomsabo 1, you can get it. I buy the same too, the option 1 accounts, because I have no problem with the intraday trailing. Yeah. Let me check what's happening. That huge order is still up there at 93. I don't know. I think everybody wants to know what ES wants to do. But for now, I think maybe Nasdaq. Let me check the. Yeah, so this is a huge wick. Can it go down? Sure, it can. It can definitely go down. Again, it depends on what ES wants to do. Is it going to go for that 16 level or not? Is it good to scalp around this area or not? We don't know. If ES starts to go for the lows, then this wick is gonna get taken out on Nasdaq for sure. I'm not in a position. I don't have an entry model. I'm trying to look this as close as I can look at it, and the only entry model I see was on the 5-minute, but I don't trust ES. That's my problem. You see, if you check the 5-minute, it's a beautiful long entry. It's actually looking very nice to go along from here. So enter here, put your stop down there, take those highs, you know, almost like a fairy tale. But I really don't know. First, it might going to take out this 51 level. With BULENOX, can you use TradingView? No, you can't. Sorry. BULENOX don't have connection to, or don't have TradingView. They have Rhythmic, so you can use NinjaTrader, Quant Hour, Rhythmic Trader. And that's it, I think, for BULENOX. They don't have access to TradingView, or TraderWeight in this case. No TraderWeight platform. So that's one of the negative things. Hope they will work on it, but they don't have access only to Rhythmic. So NinjaTrader and Quantower. Guys, if you haven't done already, please push the like button and subscribe to the channel. We're doing giveaways and all kind of good stuff. And if you would like to support the stream, keep the spirit alive, click on my links and use the codes if you would like to purchase one of these evaluation accounts. If you would like to trade with futures, I can say that these prop firms are so far reliable and good support. Trading with them. Grab one of them, support the stream. Thank you so much. That was the commercial. TradingView is too lazy. Exactly. I said it many times. I am not going to trade on TradingView. I have this account here with MyFundedFutures, but it's partially by accident because I just went through when I was choosing the platform. So I ended up with purchasing a TraderWeight account with MyFundedFutures. So I'm going to trade this with TradingView, but I hate to trade through TradingView. I think it's very bad. I mean, look at this. Absolutely not user-friendly. And I think it's lagging. It's very slow. You can't put on scalps. By the time you push the button and the trade really executes, it's like 2 seconds. 1 second at least. So it's much better if you use TraderWeight's TS Trader or what it's called, something like that. So go with that, because if you're scalping or you're executing market orders through TradingView, it is super slow. Also, the candles are not printing that fast as on Quantower or TS Trader or whatever. For example, let's go with Micro. So here it is. It's the same account. Look at how the candles are printing. I'm going to show you like this. You see the same thing. Look at the lag. How far is TradingView behind? How far is it behind? I mean, it's better to see it when the New York session starts, because I can tell you when the New York session starts, TradingView is behind at least 1 second. And the way the candles are printing is much better on both Quantower, NinjaTrader, or whatever. TradingView is lagging. It's behind with at least 1 second, something like that. So I never trade on TradingView. Not so bad. I'm sorry, Camille. Please don't take it personally. If you place limit orders or if you're not scalping, there is no problem with TradingView. I'm sorry. I regret, but I didn't want to hurt anyone's feelings who trade in TradingView. You know, I love you, Camille. But I'm just saying, if you use limit orders and if you're not going for a few points, you're not scalping, then TradingView is good. No issue then. You know, placing limit orders and going for bigger distances, or at least above 5 points on Nasdaq or 6. So that's fine. Then no issue. You can use. I'm using TradingView sometimes too, but TradingView offers real-time tick data for a monthly price like 250-ish. Yeah, I know. If you are a professional scalper, TradingView is not enough. Yeah, TradingView is not for scalpers. But if you're placing limit orders for intraday positions, you know, more than a few points, then there's no issue with TradingView. You can do that. I know you're joking. I'm joking. You're joking. All right. The same here. I use TraderWeight for market. Yeah. If I have a TraderWeight account, I execute. That's why I have it open for this evaluation account. If I execute, I do it through trade await. And by the time I push the button to execute and trade await, it's like at least 1 full second while it appears on TradingView, which is okay. Again, I'm just saying that that's also a proof that there is a lag. Of course, there is a lag because it's not their own platform. It has to go through a bridge or something. I'm not a computer geek. By the time the order gets there, but look at it on the bright side. In the 80s and the 70s, you had to phone down to the floor. We talked about this. You had to phone down the floor. You had to talk to the guy who also had to talk with another guy who filled in the contract, and by the time you got filled, it was on average about 2 minutes, maybe. So you wanted to enter at 17,764, and by the guy phoned you back, you got filled at 17,772 or something like that, and you couldn't do anything about that. that was day trading back in the 80s or even 70s. So I think we are spoon-fed here still, and I'm complaining about TradingView. Yeah. For scalping, TradingView is too slow. Man just got home from coffee and thought it would be about by now. Oh yeah, oh man, McLovin. Tom, only one email to MyFundedFutures and they refund this TradingView account for your information. Tom, only one email to MyFundedFutures and they refund this TradingView account for your information. Maybe they could refund this, but I'm already in the trade, so I choose to accept it, as in Mission Impossible, as in Tom Cruise. If you choose to accept it, so I choose to accept it. And I thought that why not? Why not have one evaluation for fun? And maybe I can get to the funded level with this account. Why not? I'm trading a little bit differently on this account. I'm scalping on this. So I decided that on this account I'm going to do more scalps. And that's it. You know what? Actually, I'm going to open maybe a scalp entry. Scalp, scalp, scalp. Not right now. If I'm scalping, I'm trying to do it with trend lines maybe. Do I want to go aggressive? Okay, I want to go aggressive. This is a scalp entry with 1 micro. Maybe I should do it with 2, right? 56. Maybe I should do it with 2, but I'm going to leave it for now. Yesterday we were having 3 winners. AK Wolf, thank you for subscribing to the channel. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to the team. I'm in a short, but only scalping. This is a scalp trade, and I wanted to add 1 more to this one, but I forgot. If it goes higher, maybe I'm gonna add 1 more. Maybe I'm gonna add 1 more. My target would be, I'm gonna hold my target until ES takes the sell side. Come on, just spike a little bit higher because I want to add 1 more. Spike it up. Not too much. Alright, added 1 more. Alright, that's enough. Okay, so my target would be there, and I am going to put a hard stop, and I'm going to modify this. Maybe I'm going to pull it to 66 for now. Yeah, it's all right. And we wait for ES to decide what to do here. This is a scalp trade, super dangerous. Do not do it at home. This is not a financial advice. This is an entertainment show. I know nothing about this, and I'm just flipping a coin. That's it. So this is just a coin flip, nothing more. Okay. Tom the Entertainer, yeah. If I would want to entertain, I might have to do the hot tub with the penguin suit. We talked about that, and I'm looking forward to it. And after that, I'm gonna sell the hot tub water. Maybe that's gonna make me rich or something. No, it can be valuable. Who knows? That's what they do. Maybe I should do it on the OnlyFans page. Yeah, I was gonna do an OnlyFans page. Gotta make sure, you know, everything lines up. So definitely going for an OnlyFans profile in the future. If you guys are interested, I can do the OnlyFans, of course. It's gonna be a very expensive subscription. We're waiting. What's the time? Oh, 4:13 Eastern Standard Time. Still in the kill zone. I have an alert set up for ES. If it goes down, takes out the lows, we're gonna be bailing out from NQ. It seems like NQ wants to bail us out first. It wants to pop lower. Let's go lower, lower. Let's go, chat. Lower, lower. I can't go lower. Only if I climb lower under my desk. So let's do it, chat. Dump. I don't want to do a dump. I made a dump already in the morning, so no more dump. Oh, sorry, it's not about that. I'm gross, I know. Please switch the channel. No, please don't. You know, if somebody tunes into the channel, what he or she is going to read, you know, lower, lower, let's go lower. So that's one. The other one says dump, dump. And somebody says, I hope you get that gap fill. So, you know, for someone who's an outsider, this could be a little bit deceiving. You know, maybe they get the wrong idea from the channel. maybe YouTube is gonna flag the channel like, all right, there's something nasty going on with the language there. So go lower, dump. You know, I hope you got that gap fill. And stuff like that. Everything seems so heavy. So Jessica says this is an entertaining first. Your Trap's wife is here. Alright guys. And this is not even the official OnlyFans channel. This is just trading on a coin flip. We should do that, by the way. How about we should do anyway. OnlyFans, yeah, they are gonna do that. When Discord, oh, Isham, come on, I'm sorry. Isham, yesterday I took my Xanax and went to sleep, so I didn't do that. But hey, after the stream, I'll do that. I'm really sorry, Isham. Please don't leave us. I'm begging you. I'm begging you. And switch over to Mitt, and he'll be like, you dirty girl. And yeah, that's what he does. So, dirty girl, you know, all these sentences like You know. Voice chat. This needs to dump so you can TP. Yeah. This needs to dump so you can TP. That's actually a clean sentence. There's nothing nasty about that. No props. Get it sorted over the weekend. I'll do that, Isham. I'll do that. So yeah, on a long day, I just took my Xanax, take a sip of whiskey or Palinka, and take a deep sleep, which is actually not true. I'm just joking, of course, or not. So that's it. Total penetration. Camille, why did you say that? Now it seems like we're back to 18 plus. Actually, it is 18 plus. This channel is not for kids. Welcome to the show, by the way. I'm gonna do some AI voice or something. There are some good voiceovers I could use. Welcome to the show. Or I can do some intro. In a world where a YouTuber who is also a trader talks nasty about all kind of stuff for adults, nobody understands what he's doing. Nobody. Only a coin flip decides the results of the trades. But who cares? Nobody cares about that. Just the dirty talk. Rated R. In a theater next to you. Anyway. Camille, of course I can give you mod. If you're gonna post porn pictures, I'm gonna find you. I'm gonna find you, and I'm gonna be real hard on you. I mean, okay, that's not a proper word. So, you're not. All right. All right. I'm being sus right now. What does that mean? I like the English slang words. What does sus means? I want to know. Is that a savage sausage? I don't know. Damn, Tom. What's up, McLeod? Oh no. It goes against me. It goes against me. Suspicious. Okay. Keep your rear up off my wife. Oh no, it's going against me. It's gonna take me out. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. I think I'm gonna have to bite the bullet on this one. I'm gonna have to but it has a gap down there. Just the micros. Oh no. Look at ES. Play the trick. No. Almost took me out. I'm still in. I'm still in. Keep your weave up off my wife. We're at the weave up. I cannot do that. Anyway, you know what I mean. Or you don't. Or who oh. I'm saved. Okay. Alright, don't worry. It's not going to hit the stop loss. We're fine. We're completely fine. It's gonna go to TP. We survived this. Okay. We're going down to reprice that area and it won't be able to go back up there. We're safe, guys. Everything is fine. False alarm. False alarm. If you like the show, please push the like button and subscribe. Nothing is really happening right now. Everything is just slow. We're going back down. Okay, there you go. That's how you put your stop loss right where it has to be. So now we can finally go down to take out those lows. Who cares about the rest? Okay. Still there. Going down. But if we see ES popping this level, we're gonna bail from Nasdaq. I have an alert set up, so that's why this is only going to be a scalp trade. All right. 750 break short, hopefully big momentum. Yeah. If it breaks this one, then it's absolutely should be breaking lower. Setting half contract. Stop above 65. Yeah, ES is still hovering. Bernard, I was also in negative, Tom, with 200. I hope you're up right now. I really hope so. That you're up. I do hope. This was a pretty dangerous trade to go in. But my bias is based on mostly ES, because I think ES should be grabbing or sweeping liquidity below. And that's why I hope that NQ will make a sharp drop or steep drop down there to the 42s. So far we're going. Gonna wait for ES. The first one that we get, if we get the ES popping the low, I'm out. The one that goes sooner. As soon as I hear the alert go off from ES, I'm closing the NQ trade manually. You're out. Nice, Bernard. Nice, nice, nice. Strong negative delta on 2K and 20K. And 20K ticks. Oh. Okay. A little bit of a repricing here. Should continue lower. Because of ES. ES should be pushing it lower. It has to. No. We're back up there. Come on. What a dirty move. But I wouldn't hold to the bottom. Kind of sketchy move. Yeah, it is. We're so close to that 16. It's like 5 handles on ES. That's why I'm hoping that if it starts to pull it down, then NQ should follow. Look at this dirty move. Oh man. Oh man, I was so positive on this one. I thought that we'll get it. But we're not getting it. Yeah, a little bit sidewaysy. A little bit. That's why we love London sessions. This is the prime example why London sessions are always good for your mental health. Thanks for joining, you know. Look at this. Guess I should be looking at shorter ticks in London, not enough volume. Well, maybe. Or maybe we should trade different markets in London session. I'd love to trade the DAX. I might gonna do that in the future. I might gonna do it in the future. Although I have it here, I don't have the subscription for the German index. So this was so far the London morning on DAX. And as you can see, well, not the most beautiful movements here as well. So everybody wants the Nasdaq. Past few weeks, I lost a lot during London. Oh yeah, look at this. London is, it is sketchy. It was looking good. Yes, I don't know what ES wants to do anymore. But what can we do, right? Sign to stop trade London. Yeah, maybe. And again, the 2K, 2000K ticks moves like 1 minute chart. Really? Wow. Yeah. I never counted really how many ticks come together. I know that the New York Open and AM session always gives the best volume. Of course, everybody likes that area, but there is no liquidity all the way down to 550. No, it's going down this morning. Oh yeah, it's not gonna go down this morning. Sitting on 700 NQ 5 minute. The 200 sits there. It's not loading in. Why not? Please load in 200 EMA. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Yeah. I don't know. Let's wait this out. Let's wait this out. Just hovering around here, guys and gals. Listen to this one. What is that? What? I'm gonna put this here. Listen to it. What the? What the hell is this, man? Oh man, Jesus, that is awesome, man. Jesus, I'm gonna give an applause. Thanks, that was awesome, man. All right. Oh well, look at oh my god, that was awesome. That was awesome. Oh, I like that. That was great. I'm gonna save it. That was super awesome. I never seen anything like that before. Oh my god. Okay, so what is happening? Maybe we're going down, right? That was good. Maybe I should put this to break even, right? 56. I'm gonna put it to 55.75. All right, and just to play it safe, I'm gonna take. I sold one, and what's the price here? 38.75. All right, modify this. All right, I sold one, modifying it. So I'm at break even, took one off. So we are risk free and made some profit. All right. Let it run. You know what? Let it run. Let's let it run. Should I take profit here? Should I let it run? I can let it run. Sorry, excuse me. ES is going down slowly. It should be taking out the 16 now. Let it run. All right. So how about I am going to let it run. Okay, so I'm deleting the take profit and I'm gonna trail it. Okay, so if it makes a new leg down, I'm going to trail it to maybe here. No, let me do something. I do have to. I'm gonna take a buy limit, you know, just to make sure. Repricing now. That was awesome. Thank you, Camille. Okay, all right. We've got news later, so can't expect a huge move. Yeah. I might going to keep it until ES breaks the lows and then I close it manually. I don't know. ES has to dump. We have to go to 1675. We have to go to sweep some liquidity. If that happens, NQ will drop too. We have clean way until down to 700. The path is clean. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Guess let it run and trail if no risk. Well, there's no risk anymore on this. But I thought if it spiked down like just in a few seconds, like boom, I could be taking profit at 35. As soon as ES decides to dump finally to 16, then this is just gonna go. That buy limit will cost you, be careful. It is not costing me. I mean, if it takes me out at break even, I'm gonna close it. If it takes me to take profit, then I'm okay. I should not be having problem. In shorts too? Nice. Good morning, Fredent. Finally, we are on the same side. Finally. Good to see you there. Look at this. It's playing mind games again. Playing those tricky mind games. So just saying again, because of the commercial as well, you have, including this day, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days to grab your MyFundedFutures discount for lifetime. $50 for a 50K account with a $50 activation fee, and the activation fee is also for lifetime whenever you pass the eval. So 5 days including this one, and this is so far the best they made, so don't miss it. Or you can just go with any other prop firm if you want, but this is so far the best real cost of funding. Nas will drop to yesterday's 5-minute fair value gap. Check your 5-minute. Okay. 5-minute. Well, yeah. So we have a huge 5-minute here, and we have a 5-minute down there as well. A small, tiny one still open. And this huge one, which we already swept, but there is a huge one. The mid area is at 680. And we have a 5-minute here and here, so 2 5-minutes. Good targets for today, by the way. It would be a nice sell-off. It would be a really nice sell-off. But for now, it's playing dirty. But I think as soon as ES starts to dump, NQ will do so as well. Look at this dirty move. Let's see what happens. It's going still up. What the hell is going on? What's the name of the website used to check news again? Economic calendar. Well, there are multiple ones. We have Forex Factory. There is Financial Juice, or financialjuice.com. And there is what's the other one? Investment.com. Investment.com. No, that's not it. Economic calendar. Investing.com, sorry. Yeah. Investing.com. See? A lot of people use this. Investing.com. Yeah. So you can check this too. The juice is financial juice. Financial juice. I mean, I only look at financial juice if someone was talking or something is hitting the market, then usually we'll see it lined up here. There's also a subscription for it. I'm not affiliated with them or something yet, but if you subscribe to it, then they will get you the data. Because I'm not trading with fundamentals, it's not important to me that much, but you can get a little bit of a picture of what's happening. Dollar yen, look at this. What was happening with dollar yen? Oh wow. What the hell? This is dollar yen. What the hell happened? What the hell happened? I mean, I was suspecting that bank intervention, but what the heck? That's the problem with the yen. It happened multiple times. Like the Japanese bank intervened quite a couple of times. Oh yeah. Look at this. Oh wow. Wow, wow, wow. What the hell? Yeah. They do this a lot of times. That's the problem with the Japanese yen. Anyway, still in the position. Carol, hey there. I'm from Hungary, Europe. Capital is, Budapest. Center of Europe, Hungary. We have everyone in our neighborhood. I'm a hungry Hungarian. That's what they say, hungry Hungarian. Yeah, I wasn't following the Japanese yen news. Slovakia. Nice, Carol. Nice to meet you. Nice. Awesome. I like when neighbors come to the stream. Am I the only one from Southeast Asia? No, I mean, maybe. Maybe you're the only one. I don't know. Hungary ate turkey and Chad was mad because Iran. What? Iran and eat the chill. What the heck? Any Tom viewers? I don't know if anyone is there from you, Muhammad. Yeah, good to see someone from the region. Yeah, there we have people from Slovenia. We have people from Austria, Germany, Romania. I think from Serbia too. So yeah, it's good. It's good. I'm happy. Guys, the kill zone is almost officially over. Make sure everyone to subscribe to the channel. We're gonna do giveaways. If you haven't filled out already, there's the form in the pinned message. It's gonna happen next week. 50K account. And what else? If you would like to support the stream and the journey, please use my links and codes for these prop firms. If you would like to trade futures, these prop firms are so far excellent. And that's it. ES is still looking to drop. All right, almost there, almost there, almost there. You know what I'm gonna do? Am I going to put this a little bit there just to trail it? Come on. Almost got it. Break the lows, break the lows, break the lows. We need a nice Friday. Come on, ES. Pull down NQ. Just go down. Just go down. What pair do you trade? 90% I trade Nasdaq. And 10% or maybe 5% I trade ES or S&P. Yeah. I was trading Forex last time a year ago, but I'm not trading Forex for now. I'm not saying I won't, but for now I'm okay. There you go. That's how it's done. Nice. And ES is still getting closer to 16. So yeah. Almost there, almost at 16. ES is almost at 16, guys. I have an alert. Oh, thank you, Kenny. Thank you. So in the end, it doesn't pull back. Yeah, look at ES should be popping down below 16. Take that liquidity. Thank you, Bernard. So you are, yeah, I'm in futures. Yes, exactly. I was trading Forex, but since I'm trading futures, I'm having much better results, really, especially even with the prop firms. So you're the best, dude. Congrats. I'm not the best. I was just watching this area. What was the thought process going into this trade? A thought process, okay. Well, it was nothing serious. One of the thing was that if you look at the ES, go to the 1 hour. Then you will see that after yesterday's earnings, the news candle, which was this one after 4 p.m. New York time, it retraced a little bit, but since the midnight open, New York midnight open, there is still a lot of liquidity down there at this candle. So NQ actually spiked lower, swept some liquidity, but ES didn't. So first I thought that ES should be sweeping some liquidity below these candles from yesterday. Almost like an Asia low, but technically not. But I was hoping that ES, and I'm still hoping that ES will go down, because it didn't. It's just 1 point away from sweeping that level. So that was the main driver for my thought that ES should be pulling NQ down. And if I go back to NQ, we saw that actually we had structure shift to the upside, but it was a little bit weak. We had this spike down, so we didn't really know what it wanted to do. So I said this was actually a trend line entry, technically speaking. ES should be popping that 16 now really soon. So it started as a scalp trade here with this trend line entry. Almost took me out here. If you rewind my stream, it was 1 tick or 2 ticks away from my stop loss here, and then it got, so I was lucky. So just saying, yeah, it was a good analysis. Look at this, missed it with 1 tick, but almost took me out with 1 or 2 ticks up there, almost. And then I just left it, and that was the trade. What made you? Yeah, we broke low of last hour. Can a 1 minute fell via gap kill zone, Tom? Fantastic, thank you. We entered it little. Yeah, it was a little bit late for me. Look at this. The thing is that ES left a liquidity void here, so I wouldn't be surprised if ES would pull back up here, reprice it, and then maybe break the 16 if it breaks the 16 at all. Or it could be just making relatively equal lows here. I zoom out the 1 minute, relatively equal lows, and it can just, you know, do this. Oops, maybe not the last move, but you know, something like this. So it can also do that too. It is not going to break it. It's going to reprice that level, and then boom. It's very tricky. It's very tricky. I still hope that it will break it, because then at least we have a clean signal of what can we expect the market to do. But not now. All right. Bom dia. What does that mean? Bom dia. Fernando. How's it going? Almost there. Oh, didn't take it. Look at that. Didn't pop through that level. I'm not in a trade or anything. Brazil. Oh. Okay. You know, when I was in Africa, nobody knew what my flag was. I mean, I was with the military in Africa, and they saw the flag and they didn't know. I told them Hungary, and nobody knows. I went into a small pub, and a lot of locals were there, but I was in my uniform. So they tried to figure out the flag. First, they thought it's Italian, because the Italian and the Hungarian flag is almost the same, but it's 90-degree, you know. It's turned by 90 degrees. And you're welcome, Muhammad. And so nobody knew what is Hungary. And one guy from the back shouted like Puskás, Puskás. And I'm not sure if you guys know that famous Hungarian football player Ferenc Puskás. And one guy from the back said Puskás, Puskás. And there you go. ES finally broke through. So, and I said, yeah, Ferenc Puskás, yes, exactly. So nobody knew about my country, but one guy said Puskás, Puskás, and I said, yeah. We're football fans in Africa. So in Africa, nobody knows Hungary, but everybody knows Ferenc Puskás. Yeah. It was a good one. Back in the military. Okay. Enough from London today, yeah. You're welcome, Muhammad. Okay, guys, I think that was the move for London. I'm not expecting anything else. The kill zone is over. I'll be back in the New York session. I'm gonna take a break, maybe eat something. I don't know. Take a rest, or I don't know. Gonna go for a walk, or maybe drive around the city. Who knows? Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Push the like button. Fill out the giveaway form. And if you would like to support the channel, and if you would like to trade with futures prop firms, use my links and codes again. Thank you everyone for being here. We'll do a New York stream as well, so everybody's welcome to come back. Guys, have a good one until then. Rest up.